Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a continued series, Train Up a Child, dedicated to single fathers raising children on their own. Today we're going to talk about what's in his bag. Things our sons should be carrying with them to school, their emergency kit. A t-shirt, shirt just in case he has to switch out from a sweaty shirt after PE, or if it's a hot day, 85 degrees, and he wants to put on something dry, of course. Hand sanitizer, chapstick, keep his lips moist, fingernail clipper, brush, some face and body wipes where he can go to the restroom and wipe himself up real quick. Then he can throw on some deodorant and then put it in the plastic bag provided. Mints, Band-Aids, alcohol pads, and socks. In case those feet be sweaty and stinky too, he can put on some dry socks. And in a nice little bag, courtesy of the Dollar Tree, they come in a variety of colors. You have the original camo in green. You have plaid. You can't go wrong for $1.36. And last but not least, a pair of boxers. Thanks for watching.